Germany lost World War I completely. The country was destroyed. Its people were starving. And the world thought, this nation will never rise again. But just 20 years later, Germany shocked the world. It was strong enough to fight half the planet, almost alone. How did that happen? What changed? Let me take you back. The year is 1918. Germany surrenders in World War I. They are forced to sign a harsh peace treaty, the Treaty of Versailles. It wasn't just a treaty. It was a punishment. Germany had to give up large parts of its land. They were banned from building a real army, and they had to pay huge amounts of money to other countries. The result? Their economy collapsed. Prices shot up. Food became rare. People were so poor, they burned money to keep warm. Because firewood was more expensive than cash, the world believed Germany was finished. But something strange was happening. In 1919, a new government was formed, the Weimar Republic. At first, things looked better. Art, science, and culture started to grow. But behind the scenes, Germany was breaking the rules. Quietly, they secretly started training soldiers. They even sent them to the Soviet Union for help. German factories, which were supposed to make tools and machines, started producing weapons in secret. Germany was slowly rebuilding, but no one noticed. Then came 1929, the Great Depression. It hit Germany hard. People lost jobs, businesses closed, families had no food. And that's when one man rose to power. Adolf Hitler. He promised to fix everything, to give people jobs, to make Germany great again. The people were desperate, so they believed him. Once Hitler became chancellor, everything changed. He took full control, silenced his enemies, took over the media, and made sure the only voice people heard was his. Then he got to work. The government launched huge construction projects, highways, railways, factories. Millions got jobs, and Germany's economy began to rise again. But all this was just a cover. Behind the scenes, Germany was building an army again, in secret. Even schools were training kids to be loyal to the Nazi Party and teaching them how to fight. By 1935, Hitler brought back mandatory military service. Even though it was banned by the treaty, Germany was breaking the rules openly now, but no one stopped them. In 1936, Hitler sent troops into the Rhineland, a forbidden zone. The world did nothing. That silence gave Hitler confidence. In 1938, Germany took over Austria. Then, later that year, they grabbed part of Czechoslovakia, the Sudetenland. Again, no one stopped them. Why? Because the world was afraid of another war. So they stayed silent. And Hitler, he kept going. Finally, in 1939, Germany invaded Poland. This time, the world had had enough. Britain and France declared war, and World War II began. So how did Germany rise from the ashes of defeat to become the most dangerous force in the world in just 20 years? It wasn't magic. It was planning. It was manipulation. And it was the world's silence that let it happen. What do you think? Could something like this happen again? Tell us in the comments. And if you want more real stories that will leave you shocked, don't forget to subscribe.